In this video, I will show you how to master the power of Floot AI to transform your content creation process from start to finish. If you have been looking for a way to streamline your workflow and generate high-quality results with minimal effort, then you are in the right place, because this tool is a total game changer for creators. We will start by navigating the initial dashboard where you can see all the available templates and options designed to spark your creativity. I will walk you through the process of setting up your first project step by step so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. One of the best features of this platform is the intuitive interface that lets you customize every detail. You can adjust the tone of voice and the specific style to match your brand identity perfectly. As we dive deeper into the settings, you will see how easy it is to input your ideas and watch the artificial intelligence bring them to life with incredible precision. I will also share some professional tips on how to optimize your prompts to get the most accurate results possible, because the quality of your input really dictates the magic of the output. We will explore the collaborative features that allow you to share your work with team members for instant feedback and revisions. By the end of this tutorial, you will feel confident using every single feature this software has to offer. Whether you are a beginner or an expert player in the digital space, this tool will save you hours of manual work every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating amazing things.